You're looking at a 2000 Volvo front-end load refuse collection packer truck. Powered by a Volvo VE 275 horsepower diesel engine driven through an Allison automatic transmission. Fluids have not been drained, has keys, unknown miles and hours, unknown running condition, has Pax More 19 cubic yard capacity. Buyers responsible for loading and viewing and loadout are by appointment only.
Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.